Hi everybody, Darren Burris here. Hope you're all well. Just wanted to do a quick video today on the importance of just being prepared really when you're speaking to suppliers when you're going to be refurbing a property. It's just very important to make sure you're on top of it. Make sure you give yourself plenty of time, do the preparation, understand stuff like your pricing up front if you can, and then when you're ready to order, make sure you get stuff ordered well in advance of when you're going to need it. There's a couple of I tend to use LMPG quite a lot, and there's a couple of suppliers in particular that I use that are quite slow. Wolsey Plumbing for a start. So if you're doing any of your heating and your plumbing work, and you're buying materials through Wolsey, Plumb Base, all those kinds of suppliers, in my experience, and I may just have been unlucky, but in my experience, they take a long time to get back to you. If you're trying to get a quote, it's very difficult to get hold of the right person on the phone. You have to email a particular department, and as I say, they take a bit of time to get back to you. You know, I've had it where they take a day or two to get back to you on an email. Then you have to go backwards and forwards, obviously, because you need to change stuff, and it can be quite a time-consuming process. So my advice would be to try and get as much of the information you can up front, even before you're at a point where you need it, so you know what you're doing, and then just try and obviously get on top of it. You know, give yourself plenty of time. I've also had issues with bathrooms.com where stuff's allegedly been in stock, or it's been on kind of like three or 4 day turnaround from a supplier, and then suddenly that, you know, there's an issue in the supply chain, or something goes wrong. So again, give yourself plenty of time. It is a bit of a balancing act, because you can't always you haven't always got space on site to keep this stuff if you get it kind of weeks in advance. But that's all part of the fun, I guess. You just got to try and balance it and work out a solution. But the last thing you want to be doing is scratching around and holding trades up by not having the materials on site when you need them. So yeah, just bear that in mind. Make sure you're on top of it. Make sure you give yourself plenty of time on the lead times, and know your lead times in advance as well. Obviously stuff as well for flooring, and the biggest thing probably is kitchens. You know, you need to know what your lead time is. Is it in stock? Are the appliances in stock? Make sure you get it ordered well in advance. Again, take lead times with a little bit of a pinch of salt, and always add a week or two on, just to give yourself a little bit of a buffer. Hope that's been helpful. Give us a shout if you need any kind of further advice or experiences or hints or tips, and I hope to speak to you all soon. See you all soon. All the best. Cheers.